Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. US $56 million has been invested in SunTerra Energy Jamaica Limited, Jamaica's largest solar farm, by Kingston-based M-Scale LLC, manager of the Caribbean Venture Capital Fund. Located in Trelawney on Jamaica's northwest coast, the project will be built in 2 phases and has the potential to reach 200 megawatts with battery storage enough to supply 12% of Jamaica's electricity needs. Phase 1 has already been awarded and is under development. Hugo Akimba, CEO of M-Scale LLC, noted, I quote, "Following Hurricane Melissa and the vulnerabilities it exposed in the national grid, resilient, clean infrastructure is no longer optional, it's essential. SunTerra Energy will strengthen the system while delivering sustainable power. This is the first of several projects we plan to support across the region." Emmanuel De Rosa, CEO of SunTerra Energy, stated, "Solar generation is key to lowering electricity costs, reducing Jamaica's carbon footprint, and decreasing dependence on imported oil, diesel, and natural gas. The project is also expected to generate more than 600 jobs for Jamaicans." Norman Manley International Airport, Montego Bay Airport Revenue Finance, and NCB Financial Group and National Commercial Bank Jamaica are just the beginning of companies that are on the credit watch list of international rating agencies. A ratings watch negative signal means the current credit rating is under review and could be cut, which would likely translate into higher borrowing costs, increased interest payments, and possible cash flow pressures for the affected companies. More Jamaican companies and entities are now on ratings watch negative by global credit ratings agency Moody's and Fitch, raising the risk of future downgrades in the coming months. Fitch says, for example, it placed Montego Bay Airport Revenue Finance on ratings watch negative in relation to its US $400 million bond. The agency says the actions are tied to the impact of Hurricane Melissa on the airport's infrastructure and uncertainty about future visitor arrivals and, by extension, the entity's capacity to service its debt without cash flow difficulties. This follows a similar move on NCB Financial Group and National Commercial Bank Jamaica. For the trading period ending December 8, 2025, these are the most actively traded stocks. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 10,267,138 units, representing 35.34% of market sales volume. Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 7,081,063 units, representing 24.37% of market sales volume. Edufocal Limited with 2,715,825 units, representing 9.35% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On December 8, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $52.39 million purchased and US $56.25 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.57 per dollar, selling the US at $159.45 and buying the US at $161.02. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.38 per transaction, with selling at $116.62 and buying at $115.24. The British pound yielded Forex traders $5.58 in profits, with selling at $210.08 and buying at $215.66. For our credit report tip of the day, as the year winds down and you're shopping for family and friends, this is also the perfect moment to strengthen your credit instead of stretching your budget. Add a few strategic tasks to your year-end to-do list. Download your free credit report. Look carefully for outdated information or unfamiliar activity, and contact your bank's customer service team to correct any errors before the new year begins. Direct any extra income toward lowering balances, set clear spending limits before celebrations, and keep your payments automated and on time. With a few intentional steps woven into your holiday routine, December becomes a powerful opportunity to protect your credit card and start January on solid financial ground. In our funded and focused feature, a well-designed incubator or accelerator program delivers a tangible return on investment for every participant, faster progress, fewer costly mistakes, and a business that becomes viable financially in a fraction of the usual time. Instead of spending months or years trying to figure out legal setup, financial systems, funding pathways, and growth strategy on their own, founders move through a structured process that establishes their company properly, organizes their money flow, and prepares them for capital. This concentration of guidance, tools, and accountability dramatically shortens the distance between startup mode and a business that can earn, attract funding, and operate with confidence. For women founders especially, the return on investment isn't theoretical. It shows up in bank readiness, grant eligibility, financial clarity, professional visibility, and the long-term stability needed to grow. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.